Hey guys, this morning we're going to take a look at a product I think that a lot of you who are working from home, working out of your own personal shops, could benefit from. This is a little tabletop vise. Now, there's nothing uniquely special about this, but when you need one of these, you need one of these, okay? So if you're working with wood or metal, if you're cutting, if you're sanding or something like that, trust me, having something that can hold those pieces solid is a win. I'm going to take this over here to the desk. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes with it and how I would use this in my home shop. And hopefully, this video will be helpful to somebody who's thinking about adding some vices to their workflow. These are excellent. Let's take a look at it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. Desk, and I want to show you guys some of the accessories that come with it. You do get 4 of these little pads. These just kind of just clip on. I'll show you guys how these go. So when you're setting this up, these just fit over here like so. Wait, let me get that on right. Like that. And you can put 4, you have 4 of these in your kit, just like that. Another thing that I really like about this vise, guys, that it has this quick release button here. And what this allows you to do is to quickly move this jaw in and out, to fit for whatever materials you're going to be working with. Of course, you do have this vise nut right here that you can use to adjust and tighten things down. But in a pinch, when you're trying to really just get a piece of wood in there or whatever it is, and you just want to make sure you can just drop it in, that comes in really handy. You also have this 360-degree rotation on this guy. You can lock that in place with this little lever right here. So now once you get it exactly where you want it, let's say about right there, you can just lock that. And now this guy is rock solid. It's not going to move. Really nice design. And then, of course, you have your table screw here. This is what's going to mount on the table. It does come with these little tabs or these little caps that you can place over the top of the screw. And you also have another plate that you can place inside of here if you're trying to protect the desk, okay? So let's say with this desk, if I was setting this up on this desk, and I wanted to be able to tighten this up, I could use that just as you guys see it there. And all I have to do is tighten that up. And now that that's locked in place, it's not moving. But of course, if I need to rotate it, I can just rotate this around to whatever position I need it in. And then lock that back in place. Now, once you decide exactly what you're going to be working with, you can just open those jaws up really quickly. Let's say we're going to work with this big piece of wood right here. I can just lock this in, place that pretty much where I want it. And then I can further tighten it down with this right here to lock that in place. So now I know that's going to be rock solid. And, for whatever it is that you're working on, guys, whether you're sanding, whether you're drilling, or whatever the case is going to be, this little vise is really going to come in handy. So if that's something that can benefit you guys in your workflow, I think it's definitely worth having one of these in your home, your office, your personal garage, things like that. This is a win. And it fits on pretty much any table that you want to use it with. So from my perspective, this is a must-have if you're working with wood or creating or manufacturing things around the house. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this product. I think this is going to be an excellent product for a lot of home DIYers who are constantly creating stuff. This could be a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.